Hello and welcome to today's video where we will be discussing an important topic that is often overlooked by many individuals. StackMyIncome.com. Today we will be talking about why it is important to do your taxes, even if it is not written that you have to pay taxes. We will be discussing how it works, what it means for you, and how it can net you much bigger returns than if you were to continue paying over 28% out of your paycheck each year filing normal taxes. Section 1. Why it is important to do your taxes. First and foremost, it is important to do your taxes because it is the law. The Internal Revenue Service, IRS, requires all individuals to file a tax return each year, regardless of whether they owe taxes or not. Failing to do so can result in penalties, fines, and even jail time. Additionally, doing your taxes can provide you with a sense of financial responsibility and control. By keeping track of your income and expenses, you can make informed decisions about your financial future, set financial goals, and plan for unexpected expenses. Section 2. What it means that you don't have to pay taxes. Many individuals believe that they are required to pay taxes on their income, but this is not necessarily true. While the IRS requires all individuals to file a tax return, they only require individuals to pay taxes on income that exceeds a certain threshold. For example, if you are single and under the age of 65, you are only required to pay taxes on income that exceeds $12,550 per year. If you are married filing jointly, the threshold is $25,100. This means that if your income is below these thresholds, you do not have to pay taxes. Some wealthy individuals may not pay taxes despite their high income or wealth as well. One reason is that they may use legal tax avoidance strategies such as deductions, credits, and loopholes to reduce their taxable income or shift it to low-tax jurisdictions. Another reason is that they may invest in assets that appreciate in value, such as stocks or real estate, which are taxed differently than income. Section 3. How it works and how it can net you bigger returns. Now that you understand why it is important to do your taxes and what it means that you don't have to pay taxes, let's discuss how it works and how it can net you bigger returns. If you are not required to pay taxes, you can still file a tax return and claim any tax deductions and credits that you are eligible for. This can include deductions for charitable contributions, mortgage interest, and medical expenses, as well as credits for education expenses and childcare and allowances for having an in-home business. By claiming these deductions, allowances and credits, you can significantly reduce your taxable income and potentially receive a larger tax refund. This can be especially beneficial if you are currently paying over 28% out of your paycheck each year filing normal taxes. Section 4. What you can do with the extra income. If you were to receive a larger tax refund by claiming deductions and credits, you could put that extra income to good use. You could use it to pay down debt, build your credit, or even invest it in the stock market, real estate, or other alternative investments. Paying down debt can help you become debt-free faster, which can save you money on interest payments and free up more of your income for other expenses. Building your credit can help you qualify for better interest rates on loans and credit cards, which can save you even more money over time. And investing in the stock market can help you grow your wealth and achieve long-term financial goals. Section 5. The importance of working with a team of professionals. Finally, it is important to work with a team of professionals when it comes to managing your finances. By working with a financial consultant and/or planner, accountant, and/or tax professional, you can learn faster, be more efficient, and make better decisions about your income, time, and freedom. These professionals can help you create a personalized financial plan, optimize your taxes, and manage your investments. They can also provide you with valuable advice and guidance as you navigate the complex world of personal finance. Contact a financial consultant in the description below or above today. If you would prefer a live presentation, please leave a comment to let us know which day works best for you. We will forward the link and times to join us live Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. Begin or continue to live the dream that we all desire and deserve.